Hello YouTubers. Alright, today I got a very interesting video. It is how to download ipod touch games for your PC. Alright, you got an application called AppCake in your computer, your iPod, but why should you download it from your PC? Well, for one, it will be much faster. You gotta admit, the iPod touch does take ages to download a file. And for two, AppCake does cancel your file download if it's a very big one. I mean, if it goes like 70 megabytes for me, it automatically goes to the springboard. So that gets annoying because you just been waiting to 70 megabytes and then done. Yeah, I know this has been happening for a lot of other people because I've been looking around for a solution, but they can't find any. So I got an alternative. Alright, we're gonna put games we download from our PC into an iPod touch. Lots of people are giving up on this as well because they don't know where to find the games source, because the rest of the iPod touch game sources are either in Russian or just take far too long to download. But I'll show you my method, okay? Right, first you're gonna need to go to you need to use what do you call it? Yeah, that's it. You need to use WinSCP. Right, on the description I put a link to a page in my website which contains all the documents or the downloads you need to download. Alright. Right. So I'll just show you from mine because I'm going to my website right now. Yeah. If you go to tutorials, iPod touch, iPhone, then you go to downloading games and apps through PC. Alright, so WinSCP will be over here, and that's the only file you need to download to put games for your PC. Alright, you also need to know the admin is root and the password is Alpine, and also the host is going to be your IP address. Oh yeah, to use this method you need to make sure that your iPod touch and your PC are both accessing wireless through your router. Okay, so I'll just show you how you do it. Right, I open my program because since mine's just a exe, I have to go to my downloads to run it. Alright, basically mine's a little bit different because I've already run it up, but this is how yours would look like. You'd ask for a host name, a port number, just leave that alone, your username and password. Alright, so the username is root and the password is Alpine, as you've guessed. Okay, the host is your IP address. You can find that by going to your iPod touch, by going to your settings, internet connection, and then you click on the internet connection you're using because there's a blue arrow and it'll show you the IP address. I know mine, I think off by heart. Let's see about that. No, that's not right, is it? Nope. Sorry. So it opens up again. Alright, what's going to happen on yours? The first time it's going to pop up an error. Okay, it's going to say abort or wait. It's going to go like wait 15 seconds and abort. Do not click abort. Alright, just leave it there, and then it's going to put another pop-up here, and then click on the far left button which is yes to all. Right, okay, I will show you right now, but unfortunately I've already connected my thing. In fact, I'm going to delete this and I'll show you right now. Okay, so new port. Right, you put in your IP address here. I think that's the right one for me. You put in root Alpine, okay, and you click in login. Alright, let's hope it's going to do what it does normally when you first start the program. Okay, and I was going to check on my iPod just to make sure that the IP address I typed in was 100% right. Okay, shit, I typed in the IP address wrong again. Just make sure you don't do the same mistakes that I'm doing. Alright, okay. Oh yeah, I swore there. I'm so sorry about that. sorry about these errors. I'm gonna try one more time. Okay, this is when already connected. So as I was saying, you go into the program file, and then you go into my downloads, and then WinSCP. Okay, run, and then it should open saying create a new host thingy. So you type in the IP address over here. Right, okay, you type in your username, which is root. The password is Alpine, ALPINE. Okay, I'll put that in the description just in case you can't understand me. You click on login, and it says connecting to host. Right, it wouldn't have done what it would normally do for you the first time you're setting up, because I've already done this before. Okay, but just remember, what you do is that do not click abort, wait for it, and another pop-up will come up. Just click it. Just click yes. Okay. Right. You want to open this drop-down button thing over here and click on var. Okay. And this is all your documents in your iPod. Then go into mobile, not mobile device, mobile. Alright. And then you go into media, AppCake, and then upload. Alright. And I've already put a game over here. You have to press Ctrl V to put games through here, because it doesn't allow you to right click paste. Okay, now downloading the games. Right, you can use file searchers online. In fact, if you go into my website or my blog, I'm going to put my top 10 file searchers, but my favorite one is filesbay.net. You click on that. Alright, and then you type in any game you're looking for. So I'm going to type in real racing. Alright, but you don't press enter yet. You type in either IPA. Right, IPA is the format of iPod Touch and iPhone games. You can type in iPod if you want, or iPhone. Alright, and then you press enter. Okay, or never click the first one, because that's a sponsored link. And then ta-da, here it is. It's on RapidShare. You can also see what it's hosted on, but unfortunately I'm having problems with RapidShare. It's not letting me download. So I found this one, netloadin.im. Right, the download speeds may vary. Oh yeah, and also I'm going to post a video on how to cheat this RapidShare problem, because that RapidShare is not letting any users who are free to download things, because apparently overload. And when you click on it, and if you need a password, it says right here, if the file need a password, you can find it here, which you open the source where you found it, found the actual file. Okay, I'm free. Right, I do not need to download this, but you would. You need to download the game, and then you would extract it. Sometimes it comes in bits and pieces, and then I'm gonna make another video on how to do it, how to extract games, downloads. Okay, just in case you get confused. Alright, so once you paste it in here, right, in your upload file, make sure it's in media AppCake upload. Alright, paste it just right over there, and then you go, then that's it. You can close it, and you go to your iPod. So now I'm going to stop this video and then film it through my webcam on my iPod. Okay. Okay, so here we are now, and now my iPod's obvious. Right, by the way, when you send in the file to your iPod, you don't need to have it plugged into your PC, because it does it through wireless. Okay, so mine was on sleep. I don't care if you see my pin. Right, so now you go into AppCake. Right, what I've just done, and then just leave it to load, or you can go straight away if you want, because I'm not bothered waiting. You click on the third button, task. Alright, on task you see achieved, and it says the file you just put in. I put in Top Gun. Alright, so you click on it, and it says do you want to delete it, install it, or cancel. You want to obviously go on install. Right, and then you see there's a little scrolly thing. Right, if you cannot really see it, but it's like right there. Yeah, it's gonna pop up when it finishes. Alright, so I'm just gonna pause this. Right, back again. Now a pop-up says app cake done. You press OK, and you can press the home key, and that's it. Go to your window, and there's the game. You see there, Top Gun. Okay. Also, if you need any games that you cannot find, comment or message me, and I'll send you a direct download link. Okay. Alright. Now I'm going to play my game. So I'll catch up with you guys later.